Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Philly Family Holiday Edition. We're here today with my cousins Adriana and Victoria Garcia, and we're making our family shrimp cocktail.
Here we have the ingredients we'll be using today, as you can see them on the side of your screen.
Okay, you're gonna start off by boiling 2 pounds of Philly wild-caught shrimp for 3 to 4 minutes.
So I know y'all's dads are boat owners. How was it growing up, working with the boats?
Yeah, I think there's a lot of pride surrounding being a part of the Philly family. I'm definitely very grateful to have such great role models in business, you know, with my dad and brother and Aunt Gina and all my uncles and cousins. And it's definitely something I'm super grateful for as I navigate my own career in business.
Yeah.
I feel the exact same way. It's just, for me, it was so important to see my dad and my brothers working so hard, but also making time to like come home for the special events, coaching their our T-ball team and stuff like that.
What is y'all's favorite holidays?
I definitely think, between Christmas and Thanksgiving, I think it's a time for like everyone to get together, and especially like going over to Mamo's house and like going and seeing all the cousins and going to midnight mass and all that good stuff. It's definitely a special time.
I think mine would definitely be Christmas, because I remember when we go to Mamo's house, it's like a madhouse, but in the best way possible, because there's cousins running around everywhere, like babies everywhere, food. It's just so nice being around like the people you love and spending that time with them.
Yeah. Sure. Do y'all have like a favorite gift that y'all have ever received?
Favorite gift? I mean, there have been a lot of good gifts, but I think some of the best have been the food that we eat. There's always like someone's trifle dessert table. We got tamales. We have the shrimp cocktail sometimes. So yeah, I definitely think like the food is probably the highlight, in addition to the gifts, of course.
So once your shrimp is ready, you're gonna wanna go ahead and drain it and then cut them into little cubes.
And then we are gonna start by juicing 6 limes into a bowl.
And then you'll also want to cut and cube 3 large avocados.
So we all grew up pretty much on the same street, right?
Yeah.
In the same vicinity.
Yeah.
And one of my favorite memories with them is we used to make literally anything, Kool-Aid, potions, car washes. We used to have dance performances. Do y'all have any of the favorite things that we sold or?
I mean, we definitely were young entrepreneurs. Between the car washes, we definitely used to get our dads pretty good on that. But I do have very fond memories of like setting up in the driveway and hanging out with you guys and all of your sisters.
Oh yeah, 100%.
So we have to give a special shout out to our Uncle Joe, who makes this recipe quite a bit. And I think it's a really good one because it's very yummy and refreshing, and even good when it's Christmas time, and sometimes it's not that cold in Texas. So
you can also make it the day before. So you just pop it out of the fridge, throw it on the table with some chips, and it is fantastic. You can have it the next day.
Yeah, it's delicious.
So good.
This is one meal that we always look forward to because we know it's going to be at every holiday.
Yeah.
Whether it's Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, it's always going to be there, and it's absolutely amazing every time. So I'm going to put our 2 pounds of our medium Philly wild shrimp into the lemon juice.
And we're also gonna add our 3 large avocados cubed. And then we're also gonna add a whole bushel of cilantro chopped.
Okay, next you're gonna add a cup of green onions and then 3 seeded jalapenos.
So now we're gonna pour in a quart of our spicy V8 juice. There we go. And we're just gonna mix it, but be careful with the avocados. And if you like it spicy like we do, we're gonna go ahead and add in some Tabasco sauce. Once it's all mixed together, it pairs really well with chips or crackers. For more fun and delicious recipes like this, make sure to go to phillyseafood.com or check us out on social media. And remember to always keep it wild.
Happy holidays from Philly Seafood.